and today we will be presenting the How to Advance Solar Design in PVcase using Aerial Topographic Mapping webinar through the standard deliverables of Above's topographic mapping service. We have kindly been allowed to share one of our clients' projects for this webinar. Our digital topographic solution allows our clients to access their deliverables in a range of different formats. The digital elevation models and orthomosaics in GeoTIFF and JPEG formats, their line work in CAD, and all the additional information can be stored geospatially in our software platform through our mobile application. The first deliverable, the digital surface model, is a 3 centimeters per pixel elevation model of the entire site. From the digital surface model, we can then create a digital terrain model, removing all vegetation and obstructions to reflect the true ground elevation. We also deliver a full orthomosaic image of the area by stitching the thousands of images taken by the drone. The key deliverable is, of course, the 2D CAD drawing, which is created from the elevation points obtained from the digital surface model and the orthomosaic image. As you can see from the slide, the CAD drawings include important features such as waterways, roads, power lines, and any object that may be a potential source of shading or obstruction.
Here we have two examples of the same site. On the left part, you can see the high quality survey data, and on the right, we have a typical low quality survey. The biggest visual difference between them is the lack of indication of any potential source of shading or obstructions on the low quality survey, as this would heavily impact your solar installation for not being placed properly. So additionally, different slopes appears once we use the terrain mesh analysis feature found in PVcase, which really helps us to determine the actual slope distribution in the site. This feature helps to evaluate terrain usability and have a good idea for the setting up the exclusion zones. A high quality topographic survey will illustrate the current terrain and the amount of change necessary to achieve the greatest results, and you can identify the best possible location for your installation. In most of the cases, you want to locate your panels on the most level piece of land, as leveling land is expensive. And if you level an area that is overly elevated, it will be even more expensive. And comparing with the low quality topographic survey, you will end up with no indication of problematic areas or without any expectations that they even exist.